Hey, what's up, guys? I'm just experimenting with this one, made using Reason Studio software by Propellerhead, and it's called Now We Change Directions. I'll say deep tech house broken beat, kind of in between. Sounds a bit like a dubstep that kind of as well. So it's kind of like three things in one, or four things, should I say? But let me know what you think, guys, or shall I just change it? Give me your opinions right here.
Yeah, we changed direction. Yeah, we changed direction. Yeah, we changed direction. Yeah, we changed direction. Yeah, we changed direction.
Guys, let me know what you think. Tap in for more from this channel right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow to get more from me. TommyTappah.